Hey guys, welcome back. I'm gonna be decorating a bee cake. I am using buttercream to assemble my cake, also to do the crumb coat and the final coat. Once my side is smooth, I'm gonna put this cake on the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. And with a knife, I'm gonna remove the excess of buttercream on the top. Now I'm gonna use my stencil. This stencil I created it myself with my cameo. And I am using some pins just to hold the stencil in place. Right now my cake is chilled and I'm gonna add the layer of buttercream using the stencil and the spatula, and I'm just gonna place the buttercream in certain spots. Since the cake is a little bit chilled, the buttercream I just placed is gonna harden and it's gonna be perfect to remove the stencil. Repeat the process to get the look that you're looking for. Now I'm gonna create some decorations using candy melts. The mold that I'm using, I think I got it online. I will leave a link for you on the description box. Also, I'm creating these little balloons using styrofoam and the candy melts. I created different colors. I started by using just the regular yellow, and then I added some white to create a lighter shade. Also created some black and some gold balloons. The gold balloons, I used the yellow balloons and added some highlighter powder. Here are the decorations I created with the mold. I just placed them. I put some buttercream on the back so they can attach to the cake. At this point, the cake's still cold. Now I'm just adding some black line just to simulate the path that the bee is going to take. I continue adding some of the beehives, and as you can notice, I switched some of the balloons. I think it was the yellow ones. I switched for some black ones just to give it some contrast with the bee. And of course, I need to add the bee. I will put the link where for the tutorial for this bee. It was created by somebody else, but it really helped me out to create this little bee. I glue the name and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. We'll see you next time.